Obabotna se na nanso nkomo aye die no ehia ma me no mienu se ebetie ne atie ne yie ne ahwede de saade no eba so oba betimi afafro pa bosome baako bosome mienu ne miensa kone nan enum yesi nyinse no asai yadodo se binto wo a unhunu se de ne ya na tie na so oba betimi anyinsen na bosome kakra na asai baako na asa toso mienu asa toso prensa we dear ya e dear pa na this miscarriage no eba e dear na wose e ma no yenye sebe ya miscarriage e binsi biem if we say ya obi e hwe ni mu se wonya ware pe afi mfie mienu dear na baby esu enso obi be ya na emma wo sa situation mu no anyway eni entina se free sabre ko se no nkunu bebo na me ka so asisu dua sa fiwe nkona wie ye de obi bie ni obenya miscarriage biem ni nyina gina se utie Nyinsen Ne Awo ye de anim defo na eba wo ma ba boy ye na ye busa question bia fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic ye de na se papa osebra na enye screening ni nyina bi say oba infections ahodo ye ntu ose emfamfiri ho na infections ni nyina so ye na etimi kofa sa ha we mu bi ba emema no so prostate ne ye bo ho eban wodun so na hu sufita wachi a problem ana wodun so ne mu apa mienu a enye normal yare osebra no show free ne wie na ha obi wo ha ya hwe etuase enti di kan free endpoint was 0244867068 0244867068 yedana say papa na Nyinsen Ne Awo eba nkobotwetwe say ya yekọ na yenuanu mu bi so ahye one more story na ne de yenua bi story I share with us no ho na wutu say ya kai ne ya wankasa nanso say su na wo su ye wo akire no a year by this time na yesterday yenkotie yenua ba wono de miscarriage ahodo miensa ene wafa mu enso ompa ba yentie se de ne de no so etie ye wiepe na ya hwe se Dr. Benedict Afari obeka yensa na ye ne no so edi nkomo no wacheche yemu de de sa o hawi eba media fia amankwa atamakle ye dem live on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM mo mu hwe wo comment mo mani flow ye beka nkan nyina de amom na sabredi yenkotie yenua ba yi so ensem
Because the Biamaka Samata for cramming with Mama Town from Pugga. A dibia. One out to one say. A dibia won't one at just a bit to I explain it when enough support to be a free baby, especially if you will come one neighbor see one. I'm sure you cross the side with me about him. First one, maybe for the 1 year and by 1 year 9 years and into the hospital according to your kohani. I get back why I want to say. You better see the you find oh husband only problem. Also any problems na Nyinsen Ne Awo. Ujemo crown on classmate. I feel na miss one domain pie up and down. Hospital running yama. Nyinsen Ne so buy oh. Any jia buy the same meaning so nyame adom bibia ye kama. I feel me ko ejuma that day me see and me ko ejuma. And not I'm sorry fine. Now with a miscarriage the first 3 months no more na was a fragile stage you know. That time no na a bit number na miscarriage pa. But you could no make too much say. Me do 4 just a make 5 into na me worry so. See they make come in bia me kama. Me sorry anopa me ko ejuma. Me ejuma mo na say na my last women kitin kakra on and off. Nyinsen na Awo my ask women but no come when na say a transfer kakra but na fine answer because I say a koye. It's me ponya me befie no na me see o me call washroom. It's me se toilet so all of a sudden me free that's a Nyinsen Ne Awo miscarriage ne see na me free na e ma me who say bibi cause so that's a show to be saying. It's me toilet lesson as a me who see me 16 years all of a sudden as a should be gumia moja DH say just as a miscarriage na menya na moja ne back pop luckily na my husband will feel na me friend na me almost sheshin the dem ma who be say me fa car driving me call hospital ya drew hospital so not the bleeding age I kakra. And you could trust can yes, I can know what dear, but you still never want to win in I've had 4 months that you still want to win in our best thing called dear. There is no hope. You need to be able to be pumping to be a good home. And so I should just be on bed. Me one person just I say, I'm more trying my just I want come and I just a bad thing. It wasn't easy for me as well because my brain and son and me need the first one up and down to me. But my husband was very supportive. To record that hospital until I moved to my ass and I just say, I could only best see and put now within a chicken came until I was here a MVA. If there was a year, it was a whole thing. It wasn't easy, but Mamia don't be fine. If the first one is Anna, you could see it.
No, after first one, no, it take how long? And after force I buy.
After first one, in about 7 months, and some a second one, no, ever. And so Yamia do ups and downs, because now we say but encouragement. The mammy imagine free so when you say no, they be another west, but to say the banana is really imagine free so I want to move to Yamia sound to me. It's the second one also back come and also time 4 months no. But the unfortunate thing is me come home a doctor no say any senior back on the NTF baby cervical incompetence so I would no rent and Shannon no the first one by into way no you bet no into that was the IGS second one. But weeks no the mom no san coming 16 weeks 4 months kwa no be me 4 months no as a doctor no they call him to quite kakra into no na 1 month and so my bar around you know a stitch no so best stitch you say friend is a vical circulant we no be into na say you chance one I just don't really know what happened. Then all of a sudden it happened again, and put the number of fees. After Ubukini a week later, this time I'm come with me money 1 week into echo brew 4 months make a crack. Because we can kind money as a second, and I was sending me around 14 weeks, 15, but we do 17. I sent a doctor and Sakano. The 17 now, 1 month, there 1 week, this time and no fear. No fear not my last thing. But me shana be a CBB de contrast is here what say. We are maybe what I'm feeling is normal. Every man I understand, but that's me who moja who should be into another chain. I say me quit dry or me say we see you to come in machine because time I first one hear me. It's me who the me who say and me bunny soon me bunny in our buy. It's a fear. Come around with them to say, told me, same me the message, my things, you know. If you must have told me, Jesus, not again. Not again, up in me, how from me, I just say, that you're born price to be busy, like on a song for sure with you. Because it can't happen again. Empire, you did say, what is happening? I find your memo, sister. That's in that form, when you're memo. Let's say I am boy and I just in fact so so make us for hospital a court doctor and why you best so it seems like I saw change a crama I do baby I made do no then so you study me court as a koi falanta say me baby no me just me ba me fie because I felt like it was giving me a mommy a set like a mommy kai nyama me mama cry be family for me to take for 9 and 10 kakra. I was really depressed.
From second one to the last one also, and also then it's
it's the third one also. And if you check a crack, the bay are sick. And so my third one, and Yamisa and do maybe meaning I am pie and me imagine fees to name them. And come in this time, put a meaning say, meaning say, calling for crabbe 2 months. And so we have to say, and to wait here, you Sanya. First and second one year into the way the only one of our specialists could go to the doctors I can say any yama de basso in here. It's going to be saying recommend that it's me now, but then you know, we chum with 4 months, you fight out saying I'm with him. It's put them in 14 weeks on a doctor. No, only me history in 14 weeks, not for better my nano. You know, no one really say, oh, they are wooden on a yam rating up on the best. So, to me, pound 3 months, one air quadia. You're not sure all the number yam rates, and also, dear, Miss and the whole family were in support. And for them, I hid it from. I didn't even. My mom was open who sent me said it. A so a mammy, family history, and no mammy finds it. There, I'm down hospital, and I miss Messi. The doctor, yes, maybe a single baby no home. Because I did the better hospital. I do in our bank, so I could paint it. Meaning, I must be my agent, but it's me. It's me now 14 weeks, 3 months, 2 weeks. Now, my doctor, a palm, I didn't go see at a farmer, or then I know mammy. It's in name savior of the whole to say a palm, because I say, no, I did courses name, but it's me a really out course, you know. But now, my doctor show my main vision to me that hospitals, Adom, retire, child 5 months. But just that second, you know, to see that no, we are not saying infection, woman, I said, my senior who say, yeah, mamma, maybe catch me doctor, no, so. So, the YSF procedure, yes, you know, I say, putting my infection to me, treating me all the time with the infection. There 1 week with them panels, so Saturday, dear, my palma, sorry. Miss Quincy now. Number one, I say, Miss Quincy. I mean, I ban the son, I mean, I show Suma, I was so his now with baby because me not son, I mean, it's up to now, we see them in pepper, but I cry me out. I'm not trying to make me see this and this. Maybe I have a shaman, you see some are saying you do, and the hospital. After that moment, no, we say, God, get my taxi bomb paying me to me like this. I hope there is not what I'm thinking. See, most nurses, and I'm catching myself, Felicity, this myself. Into more shaman, a family gynecology specialist, near the man, only put the no of if you die. The doctor, the Nimaya Bassa. All of a sudden, we should be doctor. Then there was a small wooden and with Biama, a Polano, a pack now, Demono, the Philly, amniotic sac, a pulia about it, a humanity, and Yama, a colon, I don't know how to go. This is not happening. Give me the hospital, me, sitting, I mean, what is happening? I beg. Yummy film 19 I am a poor. I want to make me for them. No, I used to say, my doctor, this is not happening. Not a day. No, a barely day. We've 6 months more than me quick. I've been here. Me ko bebia means you mean bibia. My mother show me some yes a procedure where bibia be yes fine. So what is happening? What is Jana Jimmy down pemu? Yes, she said this meet me up queen kakra at least 7 months for some courses. Meet me at pemu kakra for me man. Yes, she said I plan to survive here. I plan to be so make people can no more thing. But what I mean be so send me down with this. Let me decide doctors and see me come in cause I'm combium. And now what is happening? Doctors not so much shaming come by me show many man. I said they need there and not possible, but no more she say me be able to one. I say a week or 2, maybe 2 weeks in the morning. So my ass started to say every month, but I said in still a gummy. I said no doctors not be boom, almost a year doing the I want not coming almost 6 months. Ghana hospital, meaning saying that no I call at this stage of best provided. So at that moment I knew all those was say my ambassador, I didn't call labor word, missing me, mom was funny, man, I'm to me change band by or by you come up, but not as a shot. I'm more saying call Nico, baby, almost shank on Lanky. Now, me, I don't, we will be the call Moko no so kanka kanka na whom the machines never be bracing so but doctors near catch me say I shouldn't be of the hope that be very fine but it's be in a hospital or had came me down me found coil me question me banner as I see and whom name me found you say I just knew my baby was going I just knew my baby can't make it because they are not dying incubator anymore bread. I just had to pray to God to take him because they were not say he's trying to survive for me, but they were no women this all bread. I just held his hands and I spoke to God. They say, someone pay me home. Me didn't tell you my way in our course. But one thing I know is say, when GT when you want to me, it's still Christian and I'm and any delay, be delay, it is always a blessing.
No credit.
There 2 hours on your friend Monique and the doctors the psychologist room we will me history see almost friend me say me come catch me ban film na say in one of the way it wasn't easy when I came home. It wasn't easy, madam, and that. It's me so when Pastor someone should know baby saying, I mean, some pray you pray God. You would ask God if He's not seeing what you are going through to say. But I was just of the hope that there is no faith. There is still hope. So the Jesus meet you. A lot of people are going through. There have been people many more than what I have had. But when we cheated with Yamim and my husband was very supportive through it all. Because I am raised not before shedding money. It's made glass up when you catch and call for motion. How it is an issue. Be steadfast, be strong. It destroys your support. That is the time we need. That is not the time to be asking us to say you've been married for years. I plan in your film. That shame in woman inside. I was for power. So I want by in your film. The parents we can share them. I said they only just wanted their own person. There was no name your film. I'm sorry. My story has been it's been difficult for these 5 years, but I'm full of the hope that a day will come out now.
Abusome kwanturo emu wa sanse penure emu yare emu amani huno ti afia mankwata maklo e wanyinse ni awo enu se onkasa ni no na wanya wo na no abusome kwanturo emu wa sanse penure emu yare emu amani huno ti afia mankwata maklo wanyinse ni awo enu se onkasa ni no na wanya wo na no enti kwase dan no rebia
Adofo yensa mamu nyina Johnson mu akwa ba mera ahomani nyina tete free se mintumi 1 minute mintumi untumi nkonyim na ensai 4 months later wasa akwa kwanyim biem na sa say then third one ne kra de nanka e wo say ye enye easy me sure say ye o Canada so wakai wo de bi Facebook fiat maklomede to obema biem so UK or say sister me so me third time ni and I'm saying now wapem waka wo de ato ho no a year by this time said ya ya reho somakoma so no ebeda ne sedie na sa testimony no ne yepese yenya by the end of this year ebeba mu so nti enu aba na ye ne kasa ye no me say a year by this time enya reho said no wo su not again no ebe yes sedie nti wo sa problem we enumre ye ntena se nye fidie ne free asa nye wo kwa wo de tie ebia na wo busuani bia wadanfo bi tie ne ma ba ko mienu bi na ya wo so aka kire ne na ne ebewie ne wasua de na momansa ne ebekoso no me introduce ye doctor no ye say Lashibi Shalom Sports Committee 17 eja to ho ti yesredu jampani for baby amutie yen bia no Lashibi Shalom Sports Committee 17 eja ato ho ntino baby amuwo se de yefrem amukeka mo ba no mukeka mo ho nko ho na ankwa nkogensemu antre anko babia nti amane eno no yesre se fire service yehiamu service no Committee 17 Lashibi Shalom Sports eja ato empotamo ho na mo nko boa emma ye na yanko doctor ho na yani dog yemu adwomu akwaba
yenua
yemu official panso odi yenhia wa hada Dr. Benedict Afari aha we gynecologist wo Maprobi Polyclinic
yes
intine ne ne die mu an ye we dog me sure yenua ba na kasa na ase waboto a wo hwe nkrata so ade dog na oba ba akofo 3 consecutive times and obenyimu a ebesei obenyimu ebesei de asemu amuna mo hwa ase ho na mo hunu mu ene emewo mu o de obone papa 3 times ade
enye easy emma no because obenyim na ebesei sa na to aso sa no de enya de a oba bi obefemu sa no eye ade a eye easy but ye hu bi bebre
interne yo ha no interne yo ha miscarriage de nya de a oba bia famua something
see ni ba o se empone tamfo mpon we hye no so benya miscarriage
and sometimes doctors no cry no edu ba bia cry na ye na ye hu de be problem sometimes very once a patient because of my basa no you get so attached to them just dey be omoba into omoba cry na wan kasa no
because you know about the and doctor no afi na ha no esa wo bebu hu fo bia je say wanye bibi ye especially say na nka opese o chechire awode na e delay be 1 week bi no e ho nko out mutie free Adom free ho na doctor na kwe ha say
remember me was similar experience yes
obi go ho sa
yes ono so wenya two dada and ono so ye ka sen ka wanya but just on just a day. Just a day. Can be no Saturday, Friday no. It wasn't easy.
Dog, come on, miscarriage.
Yes, miscarriage. They were here. Nyinsen Ne Awo about 25%. Say uchiche mwa na baako betimi asay. Every woman bia Nyinsen betimi asay. Na the thought was mienu miensa eno na difficult but we interview a man bebre won say obi wo ha ba miss 1B be fame but retirement no nya another one na just say we nya na man no move on but them so more normally difficult mo yen too many times no nya bebre and still so munyi background and say esa na situation no very difficult for them.
Baba this year dear
yes testimony
na adofo Nyinsen Ne Awo ko Facebook se sia wo share wo like na wo comment ma hunu se bi mo edi kan de won dia bantu so ko ho na ka che wuni ase ne Nyinsen Ne Awo dwumedie so Adom 106.3 no efiama nkwata makloni ni team no omudi nkomo afa miscarriage yenu aba ne story no wanya kawie nti wanya entie dia wo Facebook a wo benya ofasmani junior sikudo sister long live woni team no eja ben sister efiama che wanwumre miti ofri kasoa iron city nyankopon hira mo ne adwumadeni a mo ye nyakopita se efia ayiko Asante Evelyn se ohuyen Claire nyakopita sa de abase moni dwuma Kim Bruce ochia yen Steven Anan efia nyankopon hira woni team no pa na program we dey too much o shine live or Italy yada se Emmanuel Gani ochia yen pa na wo se Adom FM de no size Nyinsen Ne Awo wo se health WhatsApp group no o tell me nka che don't worry mesa basona phone nya problem tina mo ntime nka mo fa nche me pa na mo betime nka wo so Enoch na eje oche efia mankwata maklo na echia onyankopon enka woni team no hona munya adwumaden Asamu Abraham say good evening na adwuma na wo ye nyankopon enhiramo na monkoso emre yen we no Priscilla Boachi say yabeka edo so do me enko topic ni mu na fe wo bia nhunu ni asade ade no tie dog waka bibi kakra de
nti Nyinsen say no en na friend miscarriage no yawo mienu yawo de eno asay no ene ye friend spontaneous miscarriage ene yawo bia Nyinsen wo na wankasa odi bibi akoka nti eno ye induce miscarriage and cancer in terms of CCR no de pese canon spontaneous one yes
there no answer you bianca so one say no answer
into Ghana so Nyinsen bia less than 7 months in do 7 months no you can 28 weeks no say ba outer miscarriage oko amanu so there baby wo ha 5 months cry babies no mutimi survive people has 6 months mutimi survive make I say me consultant bako ka say one time be your patient be sa ono so sa we are be around by 6 months ono na na wodi na no start say bi but ono nyankopon boa no na I say wa ready sanko kwa brochire nti ho no mutimi ye bibia ntenten man ko ho nti okọ ho no na baby no craba out because omo no mo
fidie ni ade no
ha nti timi survive ye but hanon so when you do 7 months na difficult nti pregnancy bia nyandu sano eba outer say miscarriage sanity
na dia ne cause sa miscarriage na dia pa na wode na no wo no dia ne si wo yafun ni mu bema nyinsen a obi ehwe ni mu so obenya ne dia ne se wo kwem
enti wo se nyinsen ni nyina no ye chichemu ye frɛ bia frɛ no trimesters into first 3 months no and the first trimester and the second 3 months no second trimester and the third trimester no into sa Nyinsen I say I can wasem no and normally the first and the second trimester and then do 7 months into first 3 months no there will never be a causes normally no sa they friend genetic no say Obano Hunsio, Nebema Hunson, so Mushia, say Omuba together, more for me, a dear friend embryo. Inti Abodimu in who says sometimes a bemoir and no be wrong, no be in Koye, inti body need to me who say, oh, Nyinsen with the Nyinsen papa, inti body na Cassava and tell within the first term. Intia, sometimes you are miscarriage any other papa, but sometimes because say Nyinsen no koso ni na edu baby a baby no beba out no kra onye papa inti body no hu say we Nyinsen papa na eba out and run so German ko kama inti eno no sa genetic factors no e koso etimima utimi say na nyoma bi ti say yewo ade be friend autoimmune conditions body na nkasa nyoma bi produce nyoma against itself ubon say cell way any cell way I saw munshia papa and you say Nyinsen the I to say a foreign body and your body no who say we a foreign body nti oni nshia be yine few biso ho condition bi to say diabetes and a compo yare and a yare bi kra hormones no unse Nyinsen hormones need to me boama pregnancy ni survive into some of the hormones ni bia was through and a former and it me ha pregnancy no and omo with sa genetic way na omo munfi akoni mu kakra no 35 years na ekono esa na unse nyankopon bomba no omo nkusiano omo de start into wuni ko ni nyina nkusiano soti and in terms of quality ne kra no e ba form enti enya hodin enti say pregnancy bi na Nyinsen bi ba with that way na enya Nyinsen papa enti no wo risk enti sa nyoma no ye friend risk factors and no chese bia ebeba na but so won nyoma sa nyoma no bebre timi ma Nyinsen este no timi ba wakwan mu bebre and sometimes even omo smoking say hano de enye very common but smoking alcohol sa nyoma no mani nyina so etimi ma nti sa we no within the first 3 months no etimi and even normal infections kra infection na wa wase etimi ma unya miscarriage sometimes ko even malaria kra ebetimi and I even ko edrobia wa ko to a wo nim sa wonyim ebia bibidro and even normal over the counter say bibi your friend say Ghanaians they pendro kakra bia and most
store akoto
yes and one interesting thing say a man bebre o ho a omo start someone your basabasa omo just say omo malaria no more koto malaria do into omo here say makoto malaria de sala enko afi no make us me menses cram by to be by the time I will never bounce cran and Nyinsen wakoto to ndrobi ama Nyinsen cry said that into first 3 months in the sun no mo nyina betimi akose and sometimes cry wa de be friend immune just says factors na ma wapomudin no sa no nyina so etimi ma Nyinsen ba and even some mojemu yare bi so timi ema sa Nyinsen go ni nyina timi ba and the first 3 months in the sanema bebre and I wish us anyone both soon sometimes very difficult say ubet me dealing with it. Yes. Now course second trimester na 4 months 5 months sekona eno no eya na eno me bia ha awode na nkasa sa awode na no aye week so sa good awode na no timi ye week ana say even awode na nkasa e bia the way mo e form ye na form papa ntai sa papa bi wom ana fibroid bi wom sa ne ma no inti sa second trimester no sa awode no na no ne awode na nkasa no and then cause most of sa miscarriages no
second trimester
no because normally no say Nyinsen no tra 3 months na 4 months 5 na say say most of the time na sa no ma we na etimi ma Nyinsen etimi say
adofo Nyinsen Ne Awo Jumedie na wo hwe na wutie ye Adom 106.3 FM ena nyumre nkomo no ye miscarriage etie ye nuaba na experience odi ama ye bewie no na ye hunu de a doctor fo betimi ahwa aboa ye brai wo Dr. Benedict Afari so ewa ha wo ye gynecologist wo ma probi polyclinic ena wo ne ye school sa no nti se wo wa experience ba ku mienu bia ma ne mo hu akomiensa kura ma ne mo hu na bibie ni wo wote ase ye awu ye die wo so mre no ebeso na yebewie no na wate enema ba ku mienu bi asese de dog achi mu ababedru sabre first trimester ho no niema etumi de ba na second no so ne titu ni gina awodie no ano ho ne yedre na yenhwe de edie ne ka awodie na no ho emma no yesa yese bia Nyinsen yenya 4 months na ejina ni ntie ne ye ho ka fo koda ne se no ana se eye die pa ne koso ewo awo na awodie na no
no theories be breaba but sisi anu de ehunu se ebinim wo ha unsansa na awo be kan kra no Nyankopon ya ne such a way say neoma bi sai bi esi wa wo de na no enti ebinim wo ha ehunu se omo sansa sai na ba intem too much
okay
enti bon sa wo de na wo ha na start say ebie enti ya try say echicha no na ebinim wo mo sa process na too strong say wo chicha no kra still
who tea near there was say was sneezia first one was sneezia telling you who be denti or fan cool then second one and this is an ordinance so and it is so and third one so sa and say or number was sneezia na no
yeah the yaw no yes
because sneezing there or pedio
nice say sneezing no any coughing increase in pressure yes and sometimes so I wouldn't know maybe procedures be away in the past be abortion be and I say be a bibi ba I wouldn't know be omuye bibi ewo ho into be ho na wouldn't answer into me enclose that either say ade de wo no e bia congenital problem bi e wo hod and I say bia oba wiase na wa akwa bia na omaye procedures bi wa no na bibi akoso wo ho and I say most of them no yes a natural process na ma wo de na no yes soft no anke no anu nka wudru e bia Nyinsen na akọ nani manke no na asta nti eno no ma wo de na no bi
na no sa no ya doctors mu hunu hwe ya gani ya me come specialist ho nti mu hu se bia mi nua ba we se na wo de na ho mo hwe ansa na just ye be wo na mu hu
eno no say normally so we call hospital we call gani ho na o me examination the adcry ye hu ni sometimes so we call normal hospital na bia ye bia yen hwa wase ho but we call gynecologist by all means as part of so or show no or be hwa wase nti bia problem bi kra or ho betimi akatro and I was last month kra na ye cervical cancer ho nyoma
now the ambassador na meto
good exactly nti ni nyina aka ho nti oba kra you use opportunity say oh yenye screening nti in the course of the screening kra betimi say oh e bia na problem bi wo ho nti yemfa solution bi bibi enyamfa ho ansa what start class up say wo Nyinsen nti sometimes it me hu ntem na ayi bibi afan but most women e bia na ye hu ntem nti ye be hu na aye too late
yes ideally je wa kan basic kakra me fan wo finfi ho no Kedaya pa anka me say unya nware ana wo de wo ware kra wo first yi na so ku hu gan ni no won check ase ho hwe se bibia ye kama na.
Oh yes, I mean it's very good. She say you ade be friend preconception care. Nti ye encourage a man nyina asna wa bedwin cry so pese wo nyinse no. Ese okona ye hwe se bibia ye okay. Because no man bi wo ha ye kwa nim ye bo so but etimi ye no ma bi fa ho answer pregnancy number. It's a preconception can there. She said the normal ye body rule say obi awo ha ebia screening and now medical check-up because no bi wo ha unhu obehwa na abadada and say a man once you are in the reproductive age group no nim say there at a point obetimi in say nti okona ye hwema wa good. Science.
Yes. Miscarriage bad dear na dead sebe ya ne ihu ya ne so no wo hono mu a.
Good. Nti one of normal ihu in temper and say bia wo bleed.
Okay.
And then one of the most earliest signs say moja bi tu. Nti obi a wonyin bia na wo mehu moja no enya de papa. Nti so de call hospital na ye hwe. Obi wo ho asa wo kontema itimi so anormal. Biso ha na aye too late into bleeding obiso ha onyi se nyina de bia na ya ase ne ya de bia na ya ase ne ya the reason why and se bia nsuo bi guno and obi ho kro hu bibia se bia obetwa scan na mo so akra no oni ho and akra no kro onyi the way ese onyi no and sometimes we test bibon say level and kesa nyan unya anache se BBC and most of the time no sa anuma we na be mo hu se bia miscarriage beba.
Evelyn Asante share wa Facebook Adom 106.3 nti so ko na kohwe bi Nyaku Peter say may God help this woman, amen. One more emma obi o what's problem we mu nyina no Onyankopon emwa wo mo Kim Bruce share live wo Italy Priscilla Boache say God be with you, just take heart odas papa apanyame show na nachi sakap. Good evening, watch Yadana say na Santi Evelyn the Abba say you say this is sad. God have mercy on you, woman. Nyankopon benhunu mobon so Nyaku Peter say yes, there is hope for you in Jesus name. Yadama say Priscilla Boachi say good evening, Mrs. Tamaklume show live wo France. Nyankopon share woni team no Ellen White say Onyankopon enhu bi nuaba no mobon root obe yabo say very sad. Antine de no ade penna ohima Candy say asemu erade enhu ne mobon na akua Wilson or say this is very terrible. I said this is very terrible experience. I'm tearing now. I just remembered what I've gone through too. May God give us a testimony in 2020. Why you cry? President watching so the aba na ekua so abediem na ekua so what type any route so the aba Paulina Pia ewomo Evelyn Sunie Okumanke Rose. Fear. You are looking nice in your outfit. Now me Aisha, when a doctor, I have 2 miscarriages just recently. I went to hospital and they detected I have ovarian cyst. Diana Boadu, good job, Sister Fia and team for your health education. Yeah, that's say Arafat phobia. Sister Fia, good evening. May show live inside Tama New Town. Keep it up. Good work that you are doing. Isaac Chumesi share wo Israel Tel Aviv. Ya das nana yo Sister Fia me chia when you may na ofrefi bedi akon. God bless you. I'm nana ya usu. And Diana from Pond the other doors back akra me hunu say we 2 miscarriages. First, I woke up in the morning and saw my son coming with his legs. Hey, I was 4 months. Second was 5 months, and I had a spontaneous abortion. Oh, doctors say I have an incompetent cervix, but with God's grace, through it all, I have had 2 children. Oh, yeah, then you say, hey, what dance idea we be see a way in your banner no more. One more sad problem no more. See, what we said will be there, but question be a PM more. No, okay. Obi say I have 2. I went to hospital. They said I have ovarian cyst. So I have ovarian. Ono idea. Ono so compare o man ho.
No, on said there to Kosiano sometimes in suit me kogum.
Okay.
In send bi o ha enye boni. Biso ha e boni. and then the bonnet they no at me co.
Okay.
But they bonnet no. And on the night I share the bay for home a money per chrono.
Yes, some if you say you science no.
Yes.
Inti like obi kosa challenges we move for how many times the anchor said okay there here there see you stop you know maybe a ko find another problem biaba.
Oh, any day na say to me who at the crab the way but yeah na it means say a man sometimes we bet me nya condition bia say only say e bia e be how inteno but ni na say counseling.
Okay.
Binim wo ha uko abrochi say your ade friend genetic counseling. Yetimi hu say we woni ba no hia na say munyinsen some genetic condition bi wo ebusuani mu a ebetimi how and even akra no inteno chi say ye ne wo kasa ena sisampo ye wo ade bi friend pre genetic or pre implantation genetic test ayeye eno ne chere say yetibi hu say okay wono e bia na sa genetic condition we na how inti answer na obe nyem nkra no yetimi yes some selection bi na ye choose embryos na any sa problem no but ni na say e car na so even Ghana hakra yetimi yes and man but ni na no boy so mo ye IVF na especially say no utimi hu sa nyoma no o metimi ayesa test no etimi make sure say embryos na say Nyinsen na mo de ba be call kugu na wodi mu no eye okay.
Olivia there share on Facebook live. I said, sister Fia, something happening to me. 3 times miscarriages. So sad. I feel it for my sister Pa, but I have one now. So God will surely do for my sister. As also your experience in business to say Adom no. Something among sister, sorry. I know what you are going through. I and my wife have had this 6 times before we have our children, but now by God's grace we have 4 children. Wow. God will see her and her husband through Same Belgium and Odeba. Me say I dance any the other back time no so na Adrian shine see me phone lines no your be phone lines no 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Many nyina tata ni so chese ye mabro ho ankasa nti ye die phone lines no nti we say sa variances no so and
obi o ha normal enya dia but say dia me man problem dey over hospital I be sure
ye first call mo do do ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so udi ni da bi a ofu fi
me pa to bi ba diti action
obi ba yentie o
yo ma me da say na my sister baba konso se wo ebro ankasa odi gu sum na wo na se no mfo odi gu na obi na di gu no tini hanu oba wansi ama se bi na won so na be 3 times a bi wonya ba mfi mu eni ti no be ye den no
obi ba dog be ya no ama o ya das so ewo ahoma no so odo ye mojodo ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so di ni ba bia free mfi
o cha free mama kria me free saba
yo mami yentie o
last year no which was April no I had one and last December yeah so me sanya ba ko but me ko hospital person na me try na me say I'm okay. And recently, the nurses are your friend is saying January 28, and I'm the first nurses. But the second one I was said, I mean, no 26-day cycle. It's about 22nd, about 26. And now, throughout the nurses, we hook cloth near the you see, me catch my husband, I think specialist. I want me to live well.
E mane how cry na de ko hunu no then so dog so a horo so bebo ye da se papa yemfa ye next call and so ahoma no so do ye mo do ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so
Yeah, no.
Now, we didn't be a friend.
Mpasem kasesi kaswa.
Yo, mami yentio.
Pacha maya twas me ni na se. Ba me ko twa scan no mo say infection on my left hand side of you know.
Okay. Dog beboa why na fe yehu bebe ye da se. Ofofo so ahoma no so. Ode mo ajodo ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so.
If I saw you
E jo so mami na fe he.
if I saw no 25 it is the Evelyn.
Yo, Evelyn yentio.
Okay. So last month that was January no I miscarriage. But I miscarriage on the 7th. But my baby so now I call hospital now and say you're okay. But so I said
last month as in February no what bleed is unya miscarriage what bleed is till now.
And my bleed is 2-3 months 2-3 weeks no. Now I said bleeding a week later I said me flow on cotton so the meaning say the menses na abana say no.
Okay, dog beboa na the children sure so obesa ko hospital near check it because won't mean bleeding for 3 weeks is enye normal but dog beboa wo fofo so ahoma no so ode am ajodo ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so.
Hello
Mami ya jo so free
your friend Auntie Mary me can say at Mutafo.
Yo Auntie Mary yentio.
Mama mpacho me worry you know. Me miscarriage kwa minya 5. Ejirabusu nsia. Na ni so me na me no eba ya me no kasa ya na aba efrato. Eti ejimi to hospital me ni mi kunna me nya djuma den me tampamu sa ko sitama ebeso na mawo. So enwechi no menya mamiensa ehọ na me kunka asa na me bread don't know me jai afen so me na me hu say me no obi so dan adwo na adwo me ne da pe ade beti na Nyinsen na say
woni obi say wo kuna na za da ye so
da ye mo no me no obi da me ne da ade beti no ma ya se ne benje me sa mo ja no beti me tumia makola ne mba oshim eti na obi direct ye call Dr. Taylor ho ko fodia and nyame adoma
yede nyankopon ase na ne wo de na spiritual yede na se so watimi deliver na wanya bamiansa yede ase yemfa your last caller good evening also no na free here
if you are me you can you can me first colleague
yo mama akua yeti
so me first me that was the power but this is a very serious thing because in cough-phobia infection otie dia na downfall edra na downfall akoto no nso akoto bi especially in ban on candidiasis ne ade e bia na enye candidiasis but for the being no nya issue kakata no afre na downfall ka tell is onkoto we these are the challenges we are all getting it's in portrayal oh yeah no to omfo buying drugs outside anyhow no e hard and I think the only issue here hospital papa ombenya specialist no masho and I was nyamisha
wo so pa wo de wo so de na ade afemu no next time you ready ye kire me na producer radio number na ehu because akua na nhyɛ da nya yisa ye ni makua kura wo frɛ yankopon hyira wo papa ye wie last caller na enya no ode mo ajodo ba Nyinsen Ne Awo so.
Oh my good evening.
Good evening. Now we are there.
Hello, now say.
Adom no. Now asaman kasia na.
Ambassador for Nyinsen.
Ambassador 1. Yentie we.
No size. Yentie bisa se obi ni mana se wawa opesa wo na chia. Wa na chi no on fani se chia abran na funu ba ni mo.
Say no dia wa you wa hu ode so wo betumi a de oso wachi no wanya sai na de wo yam na nya sai
wanya wanya
de oso wachi no 1 year ohu ana wanyim abosome sai
me dia me nyam
say question na obusa no ho agia na me bi say like wanyim for how many months
1 year
akra na seneti na nya 1 year de o se ne yem so nya 1 year
Daddy 1 week
1 week fe de so betimi akra no se no wo de na problem bi ani wo de a
okay
wo paso try hwa na wo paso onye mo ba na chi o ambassador no adwuma ya na wo ye nyankopon hira papa ya da senti yemfa yen collect no ensi ha na fe dog nya bread na wo monitor na mse ya time ne die aso ane santi dog ya monitor to pa mfa maye
obi say or come into contact with the MC bro said sneeze and no say tokono allergic to that internal so be
those all can dia besi to say
but technically link biani ho nyese bia wo sneeze pe na chese onyese na beba out so obi o ha onyem obi sneeze sa so bia nsi na obi so ka semse ne menses no I say after miscarriage no asesa so who say obia menses no start the way starting sa na beba akopim say wo be wi nti sometimes changes bitime ba but enya de a ebro so bia sa de enya de say we to worry about and I'm say won say wenya miscarriage say the wonyem menses no bitime asante bia na first bia ba beginning of the month but see no bitime asesa akọ middle of the month ehwe na bia busumi bia ba dia ene okay ene bia duration so within the normal range we are okay with it and obi so some ovarian infection say akasa infection the one na so when ya e bitimi cause some
na dia antekua wo kolebu onyanti akua also watufu bi se obi ti se limia bi ya
man the moye sa pa over the counter so na make kakra say sometimes Nyinsen Ne Awo the malaria symptoms malaria most of them no metia to draw and no answer nti sane mani nyina
and obi yare nso nye oyare
exactly
this wuni aso white na bia wunu bibia nche so white wa konum na draw ni bi
okay yes
asa
na obi so say onya miscarriage in general and we bleed this yes nti no advice na the man here good enye normal nti yes okono mo hwema sometimes bia na Nyinsen we ne ebi akemu te so mu ye man so bi kwa ka so ye no DNC at a point sometimes miscarriage no ye ni nyina na beba out nti say most people no nim say ye be hoho awode ni musana ebi no mu ye but no an say ye no ba it say tissues na akemu ni say on say ni na ba out and obi so wenya 5 miscarriage but later no we have not woman no baby no home yes sarcoph no baby no home yes yeah and kolebu lady no so say drugs and infection so wunya infection be so ko hospital na omohwema rather than say wow be ko to do and I say wait or wait to be so issue and be
and the asofo na pie mu ha pa utie ye nuane kata na mpaye na no moboma no Harris or say the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. I know God is preparing a new twins for you in Jesus' name. Amen. I will remember you in my prayers all the time. God help her. Yada was say empire wabonyamieti. Regina Otu. It's a nice program. Na mame nyakua abronoma. I'm 40. Had miscarriage when I was 24 weeks due to short cervix. Thank God I'm pregnant again and I have done the
Seclage.
And I'm 27 weeks. Time not so cry. Young friend, Dr. Nyankoye screening, no. 7068 0244 867068. Near free screening dog. Your time not soon. Someone number to us.
Okay,
and to the edge so be here na yes and you ready the more see Dr. Saya kwa yada say papa production team no yada ubia se mabna do amankwa me dey fear amankwa tamakle yada near se so dey to Facebook mo comment ba nyankopon hira mo share nyankopon hira yada endpoint with me party clinic say yenko screening infection no ne anyini nyina free one yankwa nkonya how ya wo emu friend was 0244 867068 867068 me sorry colleague GD etwaso